Si Tami talaga itong panty ko na nalulustred na.
Good morning, Philippines!
Hi guys, may mask na tayo. Hindi na ako makakita nito. What? Makakita nito. Okay, meron na tayong mask. Ngayon ko lang ito nagawa. Ginawa ko siya, pero ipakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko siya nagawa kanina. Ngayon lang talaga. And I cannot breathe. I can't breathe. No, honey. Wear the one that you have. Don't be a hardhead. Where's my glove?
I don't know where your gloves.
Hmm?
I don't know, where are they?
Okay guys, kita-kits tayo sa store. Sana makaginhawa pa tayo nito. Line na din dito guys. Naglinya na kami dito. Taas ng linya ngayon dito. Oh, do you want me to get it? Okay. Hello, this is not it.
Well, they're all out of the other one.
It's 3 something.
They're
That's
out of
over
it.
there.
There's only one left. No. You know, that's 7 something.
Oh my god. This is a 4
You're down near that.
420.
Fine.
What's the difference?
Different brand.
Hold on, hon.
Probably get 2 extra.
And then it's expensive.
Well, what can I do? It's the only ones left. They don't have the other ones. They took the ripped open bags.
They're all the same here. Oh, this is bigger bag.
What are the bigger bags?
How much is it? It's no. It's higher.
Well, $8.50. But this is how many pounds? It's better to buy those.
Why you say that?
Cheaper.
This is how much is this if you get 2 of this?
This is 2.5 of these.
Okay, ito yung binili namin guys. Guys, tapos na kami. Pero nagka-problema po ako guys. Yung panty ko nahuhulog na po. Nahuhulog talaga siya. Diwan ko kung anong ginawa ni Tami. Si Tami talaga itong panty ko na nalulustred na. Nalustred yung panty ko. Binira-bira ni Tami. Joke lang. Habang naglalakad kami dun, yung panty ko, ando na, nahulog na, wala na sa puwit ko. Lustred kasi. Tapos ginuot ko. Tignan nyo. Pinagtawanan pa ako ng mga babata. No, you have to take that off
I
first.
use my gas station, so good job on me.
We are done here. Look at him, guys.
I don't need this now.
You don't listen.
I'm not around people anymore.
He doesn't listen.
I'm not around people.
No, I mean the gloves. Hey guys, ito dalhin na naman namin ito sa ano doon sa ano back. Ito yung bili ni Tami. I-replant ko lang yan. And ito na yung ano namin. Look. Ito na siya. So okay na to. Pwede na tong taniman. So yun. Ready na yan. Okay, guys. Maganda yung ano. Ito. Dito lang to. Kasi magtanim tayo dyan. Tami's parsley. Because Tami loves parsley. And he cannot even make parsley alive. That's the thing. Anyway, so yun. Palabasin ko tong mga asyo. Yeah. So ngayon, it's time to luto-luto. Lamb yung kakainin namin. What kind of lamb is this? When did you buy this, Han?
What?
This lamb?
Oh.
Long time ago? No, what the heck? My God, don't blame me of everything you do here. Remember, you forgot this, you forgot that. Where did you found it?
Found it in a little bag. Alright, we gotta open it up.
Okay. Okay, come here. Okay, give me your hand. For a long time, guys, now he is married. For years, he doesn't wear ring because of work. So, ito guys, yung binili namin ni Tammy today na mga isisidling. Another okra. And, guys, talong. Carrots. His favorite, radish. And also lettuce. I think that's 3 different kind of lettuce. This thing also. And, well, it's 4 different kind of lettuce. So this one too. And also, of course, he got parsley. And he never used it, guys. I have a lot of frozen parsley. And I found this, guys. Look at this, the Asian eggplant, guys. Oh, Asian eggplant. And bumili ako nito. And also Tammy wants some celery. Hopefully this all grow. Arugula. I got spinach, guys. I never grown spinach, but I don't know. And this one I know how to grow. And this one is tatlo din bok choy. Yan, bok choy. Yun lang, guys. So marami siya, guys. So yun yung ipaplant natin silang lahat. So, hopefully, meron tayong lugar. And now, my husband is marinating. And me, I'm going to put your ring over there. Okay, I'm going to make some... I will bake the lamb. Hello. Oh, he's so hungry. Ay, get down, Bob. He's a hungry boy.
Don't grab stuff that doesn't belong to you.
Dadali, you get away with everything. Ito na yung lamb, guys. Nilagay ko na siya dyan. Mga 30 minutes na, I think. Dyan, pabayaan lang natin siya dyan. Naloka kami kay Roxy. Kasi habang dito ako busy, si Tammy andun sa labas, may kausap. Itong si Roxy, diba yung garden ko doon, yung beds. Yung bed na doon, nilagay namin, nandun yung suwil. Itong si Roxy, ang ginawa naman, hinakot niya yung suwil palabas. hinakot niya dun, pinalabas niya dun sa wall. Doon. Sabi ko, I punished her because she did it twice. Tommy keep yelling at her. She doesn't listen, so Tommy called me because he's on the phone. So, naloka akong Roxy eh. Kaloka talaga, ginao ko, Lord. Anyway. So, kakain kami mamaya. Nag-take ako ng medisina kasi napipil ko yung katawan ko dito masakit. Every time na may naramdaman akong kakaiba, ang gagawin ko is magpapanik ako. Baka meron ako. And then after that, I take medicine from Tammy. So, yun yung ginawa ko. And then, pagkatapos namin kumain itong dinner, kakain kami ng cake kasi binilhan niya ako ng cake the other day. Yesterday, binilhan niya ako ng cake. And yung cake, kasi ice cream cake siya, nilagay namin sa refrigerator sa baba. Kasi akala namin yung refrigerator sa baba is sobrang ginaw kasi naglagay kami ng ice doon. Hindi pa siya na defrost. Yung ice is andun pa rin. So, pagtingin ko kaninang umaga, yung happy birthday, Mary Ann, gumaganon, hello, kahit sana napunta kasi nag-flat talaga siya. As in, nag-flat. Sabi ko, kakainin natin yon and then next, iwan natin kung anong mga itapon na lang, kaloka talaga. Bili-bili kasi, hindi naman yan makain, kaloka. So, ngayon guys, update pala sa Greencard, guys. Diba, nag-upload kami ng mga documents, yung kung anong kailangan, or hindi nila sinasabi kung ano yung kailangan nila. Proof lang, parang ikaw na lang yung mag-guess kung ano yung isend mo para additional proof. Yun yung problema. Kasi nag-alala ako baka nag-send kami and then hindi pa rin tanggap nila yung sinisend namin na document. Ginagawa namin ni Tammy that time. Kami, scan, sinisend namin. So ngayon, pagtingin namin sa computer, wala kaming nakita. Naging blank, naging nag-sign out ako sa USIS na hindi ko man sila sign out. So hindi ko na kayo na-update next. So ngayon, inano ko siya ngayon, nag-uploading apat yung documents na sinend ko. Hopefully okay siya. It is uploading. Hopefully, kaya hindi ko siya pwedeng iwan kasi gusto ko siyang tignan kung anong mangyayari next. Kasi binalik-balikan ko yung USIS na account ko kasi meron akong parang account para makita mo kung ano yung newsletter nila para sa'yo, update para sa'yo. So, every 3 days na or 4 days, 3 days na ngayon or 4 days na ngayon, inaano ko siya, chinecheck. So, wala kami nakita kasi meron kang makita kung ano yung document na sinisend mo sa kanila, yung uploaded na document para sa kanila na ikaw yung nag-send. Wala kaming nakita. Ang nakita ko lang doon is 2. Yung pag-apply ko, appointment, ganun. Yung ibang, yung hinihingi nila sa akin noon, last year. Andun. Pero itong wala akong nakita. Sabi ko, maghintay tayo ng mga ilang days. So, ngayon, nag-alala ako. Sinicheck ko na naman, wala pa rin. So, ngayon, sabi ko kay Tammy, we have to upload it again. Kasi you have to only upload once. You know, and then magkadubli-dubli, yun yung inaano ko, pinag-alala ko talaga ngayon. And then na-receive na nila, and then ako hindi pa ako nakatanggap ng notice na send na. So nagdubli-dubli, and then stricto pa naman sila, guys. So, grabe yung sobra. Kung denied man ako nito, hindi namin alam kung anong next step. I'm going back to the Philippines. Sabi ko kay Tammy, doon na tayo magtira. Titira kasi parang kapag pagkatapos nitong lahat, doon na tayo. Talo ka talaga, mabubuhay naman kami doon. I think malapit na to, guys. I think malapit na yan. So, kakain kami soon. It's already 6 o'clock. For the catnip, just leave it there over there.
No, I put a little one in the cart, but I don't remember putting it in the car.
I don't know. I don't know what you're
You
talking
put it in the
about.
cart. Like that tray?
No, I don't see anything.
No, I think a little one was for $5.
You did? When? When did you put it?
I don't know. Let's put it down on the shelf.
Maybe it's still in your car.
No.
Huh?
I didn't put it in the car. I remember in the store. I must put it down in the
Maybe it's still in the store. Oh yeah, I see you do that and then you put it. You put it and then you know what you grab? The ultraviolet. Kain lang kami. And itong ano ko hindi pa rin okay. Yan, andyan pa rin yung lamb. Niluluto ko lang siya ng matagal, guys, para naman lutong-luto siya habang iniinit ko yung pagkain namin. Kasi nagpi-plating na kami ni Tammy para wala masyadong hugasan. Look. May ginawa siya kasi gusto niyang mag-garden. Siya, tawag nito? Diyan yun ilagay yung seedling. Happy birthday, Sophie.
ice cream soda.
Huh?
Ice cream soda.
Ice cream soda. This is not bad, huh? And we can still eat it, right?
Yeah. It's just not much of a cake.
Yeah, because you like. I don't know why you like getting ice cream cake.
Well, if I'd asked you to stop at ShopRite, what would you tell me?
Carville.
Well, there's no Carvel around here.
They have Carville ice cream cake.
Okay, I'm saying, if I asked you to stop at ShopRite, what would you say? What would you say?
No.
Okay, so now. Well, we won't go get any other kind of cake. If I had to stop at a store. And you would have said no.
Tulog na si Tami. 8 o'clock na ng gabi. Matulog na kami, guys. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Naka-quarantine tayo sa birthday. But, okay lang. Kasama naman natin si Habiboy. So, okay lang yan. Yun lang siya, guys. Kumakain kami ng cake na soup. Yung cake na parang soup. Para na siyang sabaw. Meron lang na si Tammy dito nagawa. Pero, dami pa dito. So, ang gagawin namin is ako bukas. I think I have to spend time this tomorrow and also for the next day para malagay na at saka ilagay sa bangko kasi kahit coins lang ito yun, malaki din. Oh, ito pala yun, guys. Oh, pakita ko sa inyo, ha? Ito pala siya, guys, nang ginawa ko. So ito, tanggalin natin, ha. Yan, ito yung ginawa ko, guys. Look, ito yung sa buhok, ilagay sa buhok, at ito din. And ito yung headband ko na hindi ko na nagamit. Elastic siya. So, elastic siya, diba? Look. So, ang ginawa ko is, ito siya. Nag-cut ako ng material. And then, finold ko lang siyang 3 beses. Yan. Yan, pinold ko siya. Nakaganito. And, pinasok ko dito sa butas. And then, ito din sa kabila. Dito, ginanon ko siya. Yan. So, nakapasok na siya. So, pagkatapos niya, diba, nandun siya. So, nandito na siya, diba? Nagano na siya. So, depende yan sa inyo kung gusto nyong tight or loose a little bit. So, ang ginawa ko is, ganyan lang siya. Yun, ganyan. And then, yan. Yan. Meron na akong mask. Ano lang nga siya, yung parang sobrang tight. So, I mean, hindi man siya sobrang tight, parang mahirapan ka maghinga ba? Okay lang yan siya kaysa wala, di ba? So, yan. Kanina ko pa to siya na sabi ko, maghanap nga tayo ng mga magagawa natin para so ngayon, ito, labhan ko siya. And I'm going to end this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I hope I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you guys. Meron na tayong garden. Nakapag na talaga tayo ng bed. Bye bye guys. Good night.